in what's meant to be spring, but clearly not, here in beautiful Perth, Western Australia. I have lots to show you today, so let's get started. So I've had a few finishes. That one's for my son. I'm a bit worried about it. I didn't pay a lot of attention when I was doing my spacing, so I don't have a lot of edge sort of background around it, but we'll see what the framer can do with that. But so I finished that one, but yes, clearly I don't have my required space around it, but what can you do? A bit naughty there. My rainbow unicorns, which is for my daughter. This one is I call this my controversy piece, because everyone complained about the order of the rainbow and then that there wasn't enough purples and blah blah blah, so that one's for my daughter. Now this one will give you a giggle, because oh no, I screwed up, and because I was rolling it and it's really long and I was doing it sort of that way up, I didn't realize that my beautiful rose here wasn't center like the pattern was designed. So what I think I can do to recover that, oops, upside down, is to put a second rose in there, but put it over the welcome so that it's kind of even, and it'll hopefully be okay that way. So whoopsie. So yeah, a bit embarrassing when you as the designer managed to get something wrong, but you know what, we all screw up, so here we are. So that's that one. Now I've had some fun Stitchy Mail and I have lots to show you. So what did I get? I'll open up this one. So my next big work is Nostalgia Extract 2 from Mukunda, and I don't know if you can really see, but I ordered white sparkly fabric from Under the Sea Fabrics. So that's here now, so that means I can get that on the frame and start prepping for it, but I really want to finish my hypothesis and theory piece that I'm working on first. And then I got Stitchy Mail from Carla. Carla makes these really awesome project bags, grime guards, all those sorts of things, floss pads too, for your stitching, and she has an Etsy shop. And I finally got off my ass and I ordered some project baggies to put my projects in, and I haven't put my projects in yet, but I just thought I'd show them off, because that's the back of one and that's the front. Pretty rad, hey? So it's got a different color on the inside than it does on the outside. And then I also got, and I love the feel of it too, it's really like soft and thick, like I'd have this as a blanket. Oh wow, there's two. Okay, I got some fabric too from Jody Reed Designs that Carla's gifted me. So, oh, this is gorgeous. Let's have a look at this. It's opal fabric. It's very soft. It's beautiful. It's just, oh, it's just not doing justice, this lighting. But it's like a beautiful purple, it's like a starscape. I would do a planet on that. What is it? It is called Felspar. It's 20 count. And it's linen. I've never worked on 20 count before. And I've only ever done one linen, so that's going to be interesting. I'll have to pick out something special for that. What else do we have? Another Jody Reed, a limited edition called Galaxy, which is 28 count. Ooh, that's tiny. And that's also linen. And I think I could do another starscape on this one. I think I might use these for moons. And can you see? Oh, look, that's showing the colour quite nicely. So yeah, I might do my space ones on here, because that's really pretty, and it's opal too. That's gorgeous. So I'll put those back in the project baggies. So I got that project baggie. And then I'll take the artwork out so we can see what's behind. This one has a different zip. So I got some gorgeous artwork too. I got a pirate patch. I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's for, but I love it. It's cool. And then this one has a different zip. And this is my Halloweeny one. It's pretty cool. I love the little bats. Actually, I really like this zip. I have short, stubby, fat and fairly seasy fingers from all the stitching and computer work I do. So I really like this zip. That's a really nice zip, that one. The nice big chunky one. I'm a big fan. And then we've got this one. And this one has my grime guard in it. I love how the zips match too. It's really rad. This is a grime guard. I've never used a grime guard before, so this will be a first for me. But I'm pretty excited to give it a crack. So I'll actually have to ask Carla for some instructions on how to put it on. I think maybe I might just feed, no, I don't feed the bar down anything. Because it's solid. So I think I just pop it on either end. Do I have a frame here? Not at hand. Yeah, I think I just stick it on either end, which will be really handy for my nostalgia because I'm working on white Ada, which is something I avoid at all costs because it shows up my grotty hands. And I tend not to wash my pieces at the end because they're hand dyed normally, the fabric, and I'm scared that they'll run and ruin all my hard work. So I've got my grime guards. I love them. Look at the ravens in that. Aren't they gorgeous? And then, oh, this one is cool. This one is gorgeous. Oh look, I think you call that a biscourni? Biscourni? I'm not good at pronouncing. Isn't that gorgeous? Carla's made that. And again, matching zip. I love things that match. Look how gorgeous is that space one. I think I'll use this project bag for all my, like, my witch moons and my Mars and all my planets and my spacey ones. I think that'll be really cool. And then we've got this little, I think this is a floss pad. I think, do I have any? You know, I've got a whole bucket load of nothing around me at the moment. I did have floss. I've got floss everywhere. How can I not have any floss here to test it out? Anyway, so I've got that cool. Look, oh, I love it. Again, the video is just really not doing it justice. Oh. So yeah, that's all my goodies. So it's been a good week so far. Now, I'm also a huge advocate of using Velcro, and I got this stuff from Bunnings. I think I'm out of sync. Anyway, so I got this from Bunnings, and it is 20 glorious meters of Velcro. You can see that? And what I do with this is I pop it onto my frame, and then I stick another strip of it on my fabric, and that's how I fix it to my frame. So I don't do any sewing, nothing like that to get it on the frame, and I get really good tension, and it's super easy to just take it on and off. I haven't had a lot of luck so far with reusing the Velcro more than once. I kind of find that the stick isn't strong enough for a second round to hold it with my tension that I need. So I'm sort of playing around with it and enjoying it because it's a really quick and easy way of getting my project up, because the part that goes on the actual frame only goes on once. I never ever take that off, and I'm out of sync. So you know what, guys, I'm gonna finish off with that. So that's my really cool hooks and loops, but I'm gonna love you and leave you because for some reason I keep falling out of sync. I'm having a few problems with the computer lately, and it's not loving me. It's going a bit slow. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm back in sync. No, I'm not. Oh no! Oh, this is the worst video ever. Anyway, so yeah, I've got that. I bought a big pile of it. So if anyone's looking for a big pile, I think this was only, how much was it? I have my receipt here somewhere. Plenty of bits and pieces from lottery. Where's my receipt? I need that. Now I can't find my receipt. I've probably thrown it away. It was only about $20 anyway. So it was super cheap for 20 meters of the stuff, because I'm going to go through it. So yeah. Okay guys. That's all I've got for you today. I'm going to skedaddle because I've got lots of updates to get through on my website and designing to do. So I hope you enjoyed my video and seeing my finishes. I'll catch you on the flip side, guys. See ya. Just got to tie off. There we go.